Yes, every day me get up and we say no violence against somebody. I know we not like boy we hurt two man certain way, but boy, oh boy, mama. Me can't tell you some you no give two solid fucking years as today.
Boop, Wagwan viewers, Wagwan subscribers, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Vybz Kartel and DJ Kartel link up again. Plus we also have Gage Almighty and also Elephant Man. So gentlemen, if you're new to over here, remember as always, leave a subscribe and leave a like. Big up on yourself like always, make a jump right into it. So now we're going to kick it off with the teacher Vybz Kartel. Viewers and subscribers, the entertainer sends out a message from him to the youths them to stay motivated and just lock in and work, put in the hard work because success is there for everyone. Viewers and subscribers, check this out.
Yes, please. Yeah. Yeah, as I say, get to youth, wise up here. Protect on the life, man, and a valuable dog. I make no man tell you nothing, my dad. I talk to you all of you, them Kingston, Panishtown, Portmore, my dad. Whole heap of great things in the world for experience. Like everything say, oh, me at 25, or me at 26, or me at 27, or me at 28, or me at 30, or me at 35, and it not happen for me yet. Bro, you have life, dog. Focus and double down. Focus and double down. Especially to the youth them were tempted by certain lifestyle and certain badness. My dad, if you're in it, love it, don't go in it. It don't worth it. And for the youth them, we're in it, we don't know it not worth it. When a life at danger, when a life at risk, police want to kill you, gunman want to kill you. You're bigger than yo. When greater than that here. Just believe me, dog. Sky's the limit, my dad. God is the greatest. Love God and believe. Work hard and believe. Tell me, I tell you, dog.
Yeah man, a message from Vybz Kartel to the youths, them viewers and subscribers. You don't know teacher attack from experience. So viewers and subs, when you do the right thing, you see me? Yeah man, don't follow the bad crowd and just do the right thing. Lock in and put in the work. Everything will pay off one day.
Man, we're hard.
Yeah, man. Oh, shit!
No. Man, you went crazy.
I know.
Man, you went crazy.
So did you,
Nah,
man.
we got to.
Shit. I haven't even named this one. What's that one called?
It's okay to show love.
Yeah!
I call it It's Okay to Show Love.
Yo,
It's okay to be happy and it's okay to show love.
Okay, I get it now. So this is It's Okay to Be Happy.
Yeah.
And this is It's
okay to show love. That's it.
It's easy.
Again, toe to head.
Toe to head.
Do
toe to
vibes
head.
and see them. You should not see them.
Get it.
You know what I'm saying?
Now we have Gage and his baby mother in a bag of things. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to play the live and make you see what really are going. Gage head chip. No joke.
Them back. You send back all of them. So today now, when a puppy tell me say me breed you, you never tell me that, Today now when me go fi sign up for do DNA, cause me a pay feet and me a sign up and me a do what me a do. So me need your info, me need the child's info. Why is it today now I find out say fucking pick me have puppy last name? When me a go ask you say, how we pick me have puppy last name? You a go tell me say, if a puppy alone have a last name in our world. You a go tell me say, if you ever tell me, say, I guess you guess the last name, like, bro, like, yo, people take man fist for dum-dum sometime, but you see, these levels of dum-dum will get you fuck. Because me not go get up from here and come do, that's why me there say chat about you and Ray, But if you did turn up in front of me, you wouldn't be alive now. Because you can't tell me say you want me to say oh okay, I guess you guess it. Like you gotta tell me say you guessing name. Okay, you tell me say you guessing name. You hear how me get chipped to them, my voice gone. Me get chipped to the zine. Why is it me get chipped to them about a last name? Where you tell me say pick the last name was your mother's last name. Yeah, your mother have the same last name, babe. Yeah, your mother have the same last name. Because your mother married to your father. What the fuck? So you tell me, say, you just go in at the blood clot place and guess this a man last name. Yes, every day I get up and we say no violence against somebody. I know we not like boy we hurt two man certain way, but boy, oh boy, mama. I can't tell you something you don't give two solid fucking answers today. As a man, I can't tell you say if you did turn up in front of me, yo, I best way me do the fucking. You see it? God different. You see that? There's a reason why God set this off midweek today and you do it another day. There's a reason. Because me I tell you, bro. There would be trouble, bro. There would be, bro, I shake. Me start shake today when the blood clot girl tell me your last name, you know. Bro, me start shake. I nurse sign up, you sitting them in a bro. Brother, I nurse sign up, you sitting them in a dog. You hear me, I tell them, I say, I nurse. All the nurses there, I say, just school, man. You go good, man. I nurse sign up, you fucking sitting them in a brother. What, bro? You know you. That girl at the pan bumbuckler TikTok in a dog. I comment and the sitting and say me what this and me not mind youth and me not this, you know, bro. No hear them a blood class circumstances, bro. Number one, I've never put my hands on you. Me never have nothing against you. Nothing, bro. Every time you come link me, you not pay no fear. Me pay your fear. Me give you money. Me give you money, you're good. You see me? Me good. Then look on this now. How the fuck you say me breed you? Me not see you for 3 years now. 3 years after me find out this, you know. You say you didn't afraid to tell me, but you ain't afraid to tell. One man where I did my friend. One man will come and town, come ask me for fear if he come fuck you. And then tell me say him nobody come fuck you. Am I dumb, bro? But you see if me get mad now, dog. Man takes it now, lick a girl all night, sad, bro. No, I go hear so, bro. I'm fucked up, nigga, bro.
So Gage, I go through it right now, viewers and subscribers. As you can hear on the live update, things are going. So watch on, man, just leave a take down in the comment section. Cha. Yo, you have to just know say one of them time there and move on. Because I see if you follow your mind, you do the wrong. Watch on, man, leave a take in the comments. So Elephant Man is back in the UK after 2 decades. Viewers and subscribers and just pre how the entertainer are celebrate.
Come bust the champagne on you. Where am I deal with? Don't think the fact so bad.
Where am I deal with?
Yo, serious, it's gonna be crazy. Pull up. Me pretty baby.
Walk one.
Yeah, me pretty baby. Whenever you're lonely, just come and phone me. See you at the show. Pull up. There. You know the thing was shit. Come on.